Graphs for a classroom debate. This is the third video in which I'm going to talk about some proposals to start the speeches for your Cambridge exam. So let's quickly begin it. Let's see that topic number 5 is, should homework be banned in school? So it's a quite famous topic, and there can be many ways to start it. But see that how there is another way of beginning it. After a full day at school, most students just want to relax, but instead they are buried in homework. Some say it helps us learn better, while others feel it only adds stress and kills our free time. So, here is the real question: does homework equally actually help, or is it time we got rid of it for good? So, you can see that quite briefly both sides of the arguments are presented in this short start, and it has been told that it is a serious debate having two sides. So this is how you can generate your starting paragraphs, and then you can begin with it. Now the next start is actually the start from the candidate sample response, and here you can see that it is actually the highly rated paper, and it is the start of the speech. See, respected teachers and my dear fellows, good morning. I am Dash, their name has been omitted, from class 10A. As you know, this is in small bracket because it's a classroom debate, and everybody knows the speaker. I want you all to take a moment and ask yourself, if you enjoy a trip to the zoo, or if it saddens you to observe these poor animals locked in cages for their entire lives, locked away from their real homes in the wilderness. Today, I will be shedding light on whether or not zoos should be banned. So again, you can see that in a very effective way, the argument has been presented, and it has been shown that it is actually a serious matter and it has two sides. This can be the way of beginning the speech, and looking at all these starts, definitely there will be some generation of ideas in your own mind to begin the speeches. This is what I want, that when you read samples, you actually start thinking about your own ideas. So stay blessed, and please share your comments, and please watch further videos, and tell me if you want videos on some specific topic. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.